नमस्कार मुलांनो, सावित्रीबाई फुले शिक्षण प्रसारक मंडळ संचलित रेणुका हायस्कूलमधील मी सहशिक्षिका श्रीमती पाटील विजू. इयत्ता 9वीच्या मॅथमॅटिक्स पार्ट 1मधलं आज आपण लेक्चर 6 बघत आहोत. टॉपिक नेम ऑपरेशन ऑन सेट्स आणि प्रॅक्टिस सेट 1.4 यावर आधारित आपण उदाहरणांचा अभ्यास करणार आहोत. अतिशय महत्त्वाचा टॉपिक ऑपरेशन ऑफ सेट्स हा बघणार आहोत आपण. संचावरील क्रिया हा घटक आहे आणि त्यावरच आधारित आपण सराव संच 1.1 मधली उदाहरणं सोडवणार आहोत. पॉईंट्स: ऑपरेशन ऑफ सेट्स, डिसजॉईंट सेट, युनियन ऑफ टू सेट, इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ टू सेट्स. संचावरील क्रिया: विभक्त संच, संयोग संच आणि छेद संच. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, ऑपरेशन ऑन सेट्स. सेट A and set B are common element. Intersection set denoted by उलटा ने दर्शवायचा आहे. संच ए आणि संच बी मधील सामायिक घटक म्हणजेच काय? छेदसंच. छेदसंचालाच आपण म्हणतो इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ टू सेट, त्याला छेदसंच म्हणतात. या संचामध्ये या क्रियामध्ये दोन संच दिलेले असतात आणि त्या दोन संचांमधले सामायिक घटक ज्यामध्ये लिहितो त्याला म्हणतात छेदसंच. सेट A इज इक्वल टू 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. सेट B इज इक्वल टू 2 4 6 8 10 and 12. Common element is 2 4 6. Therefore A intersection B is equal to in curly bracket 2 4 6. Then second, disjoint set, विभक्त संच. If the two sets have no common element, then the two sets are to be disjoint set. ज्या दोन संचातील एकही घटक सामायिक नसतो अशा दोन संचांना विभक्त संच म्हणतात. Then A is equal to 1 2 3 4 and set B is equal to 11 12 13. Then two these sets but not common element, then A intersection B is equal to empty set or denoted by 5. The next topic is union of two sets, संयोग संच. The union of two sets A and B is a set which consists of all the elements of set A and all elements of set B denoted by capital U. संच A व संच B मधील सर्व घटक एकत्रित लिहिणे. एखादा घटक पुन्हा येत असेल तर तो एकदाच लिहिणे म्हणजेच संयोग संच होय. आणि हा संयोग संच U या अक्षराने दाखवतात. कॅपिटल U या अक्षराने दाखवायचा आहे. प्रॅक्टिस सेटमधले आपण बघणार आहोत. एक्झाम्पल नंबर फर्स्ट. इफ नंबर ऑफ A इज इक्वल टू 50, नंबर ऑफ A युनियन B इज इक्वल टू 29, number of A intersection B is equal to 7, then number of B is equal to question mark. Answer: we have number of A is equal to 15, number of B is equal to question mark, number of A union B is equal to 29, number of A intersection B is equal to 7. Since write down formula, therefore number of B is equal to number of A union B plus number of A intersection B minus number of A. Then substituting this value is equal to union is 29 plus intersection 7 minus number of A 15. 27 plus 29 plus 7 is 36 and 36 minus 50, number of B is equal to 21. Second question. In a hostel there are 125 students, out of which 18 drink tea, 60 drink coffee and 20 drink tea or coffee both. Find the number of students who do not drink tea or coffee. Answer: let A be the set of students who drink tea and set B be the set of students who drink coffee. Therefore we have number of A, then student number of U, union set is in hostel student, then number of U is equal to 125, number of A is 18, then drink tea, number of B is 60, then drink coffee. Number of A intersection B is both drinking is 20. Since write down formula, number of A union B is equal to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. Then this standard formula in operation on sets is equal to number of A 80 plus number of B 60 minus intersection set 20. 80 plus 60 is equal to 140 minus 20 is 120. Therefore, number of A union B is equal to 120. The number of students who do not drink tea or coffee, therefore 120, then universal set minus union set 120 is equal to 5 students. Look student, then 5 students are not drinking tea or coffee. Fourth one example, Surya was conduct to know the hobbies of 220 students of class 9, out of which 130 students inform about their hobby as rock climbing and 180 students is informed about their hobbies are as sky watching. There are 110 students who follow both of the hobbies. Then how many students do not have any of the two hobbies? How many of them follows the hobbies of rock climbing only? How many students follow the hobby of sky watching only? Answer, let A be the set of rock climbing and set B sky watching. We have number of A is equal to 130, number of B is equal to 180, number of A union A intersection B is 110, number of universal set is 220. Since write down formula, therefore number of A union B is equal to number of A plus number of B minus number of A intersection B. Substituting this value, number of A is 130 plus number of B is 180 minus intersection 110, then subtraction or addition is 200. Then number of A union B is equal to 200. The number of students who do not have any of the two hobbies, number of union minus number of A union B, 220 minus 200 is equal to 20. Also, the number of students who follows the hobby of rock climbing only is equal to number of A minus number of A intersection B. 130 minus 110 is equal to 20, and the number of students who follow the hobby to sky watching only, therefore number of B minus number of A intersection B, 180 minus 110 is equal to 70. Example number 5. Observe the given Venn diagram and write the following set. Set A, set B, set A union B, universal set, complementary set A, complementary set B, and A union B is complementary set. Show that this diagram universal U is quadrilateral and encircle set A and circle set B. Then intersection is M and N elements. Then universal set is set include the set A and set B. Answer, we have first set A is equal to, in circle A all elements write down M, N, X, Y, Z, and set B M, N, P, Q, R, and A union B include these all elements are set A and B M, N, X, Y, Z, P, Q, R. Then universal set is U. Then write down the all elements of A, B, and in quadrilateral M, N, X, S, T, Y, Z, P, Q, R. Then complementary set is A dash is then universal set, and cut out the element of set A and remainder element, write down complementary set A dash in curly bracket S, T, P, Q, R, and complementary set B dash is element is X, S, T, Y, Z, and last one answer is A union B complementary set, then A union B element, cut off the universal set, and remainder this element is S, T. Hence prove that A union B complementary set is equal to S, T. Student, next lecture 7. Topic name is chapter 2 real numbers. Study this real number or number of line. Then next lecture is 7. Thank you.